In this video, we're going to look at position vectors. Now, a position vector is the vector from the origin to a particular point. So below here, we've got the particular point D, which is the coordinates 2, 1. So the position vector of D is the vector from the origin 0, 0 to D, represented by that blue line. Now, you could say that's the vector OD, but in shorthand, because it's position vector, we do a little d with an underline. So this is little d. So we need to know how to work out what little d is, what the vector is. Well, what's happened, if we look here, is that it started at 0 and it's gone right 2. Okay. And then it's gone up by 1. So little d is just the column vector 2, 1. So the x-coordinate becomes the first number in your vector, and the y-coordinate becomes the second number. So let's look at some of these underneath. So A3, 4, well, the position vector, O to A, or we can just write that as little a, is 3, 4, the x-coordinate becoming the top, the y-coordinate at the bottom. So B, negative 3, 2, well, the position vector from the origin to the point B would be negative 3, 2. And for C, the position vector little c would be 0, negative 3.